How do you put on a cock ring and ball stretcher? Is it hard? Today I'll be showing you how to realistically put on a cock ring and ball stretcher safely. So how do you put on a cock ring and ball stretcher? Is it really that hard? No. It's simple, quick and easy, and of course very stimulating. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to put it on safely and correctly as well. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put on the Desire cock ring and ball stretcher from the EasyToys Men's Only collection. It's very stretchy to ensure a comfortable fit, and it's also made of a body-safe soft silicone, so it's soft and smooth on the skin as well. To show you how to put it on correctly, I'm going to be using the Realistic Dildo, which is 15 centimeters in length from the EasyToys Dildo collection. As you can see, there are two thicker parts to this cock ring and ball stretcher. You're going to use the first thick part just here and place it over your penis as shown here. When you get to the base, you're going to pull the thicker part on the other side over your ball sack gently, and you can adjust as needed as well. So there should be one line across the base of your penis, one thick line under your ball sack, and the thinner line should be over the ball sack. This is the correct and safe way to put on a cock ring and ball stretcher. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other product videos below? If you have a question for us, drop a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.